We guide you through how to set a ringtone on your iPhone quickly and easily. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Inside this menu, look for Ringtone and tap it to see the list of available ringtones on your device. You can tap any ringtone name to preview the sound and choose the one you like. Once you tap the ringtone, it will automatically be set as your new default ringtone for incoming calls. If you want to use a custom ringtone, you can also add one through the GarageBand app or sync a ringtone from your computer using iTunes or the Finder on Mac. After adding the custom ringtone, it will appear in the ringtone list where you can select it the same way.